Hey, Gina. What's up, Lena? Hey, what y'all got up? Girl, nothing, because I am
Fucked up and fucked up, fucked up and fucked up. Can't you see that I'm fucked up and fucked up? Fucked up and fucked up, fucked up and fucked up. Can't you see that?
Why you say that? Girl, like, because
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking.
hell no, girl. It is too damn early for you to be this damn drunk. Y'all is crazy as hell, but y'all my bitches and y'all know.
I love my big booty bitches, my life a Godfather picture. Local club in my city, I fell in love with a stripper. Bitches know.
Girl, I know that's right. Niggas be like, why you fuck with them crazy ass hoes? And I be like,
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And
Lena girl, yes, yes.
Okay, now you're talking my language. 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 Being ready is real. I don't know about you.
Y'all is getting me geeked up. We should go to the club tonight. I'ma walk in that bitch like. Y'all is ratchet. I'm walking in like.
I came in like a wrecking ball.